Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video, this time showing you how I blow dry my hair. Now I do have I think one or two other videos showing you how I do this, but this was probably my best blowout yet, and also my hair has grown quite a bit, so I just wanted to show you guys how I achieved that. So first of all, I came out of the shower. I had just washed and conditioned it, and this is wet hair. What I like to do after I shampoo my hair is immediately apply some oil to it in order to retain that moisture, because what I often find is no matter what kind of shampoo I use, even the best and most moisturizing shampoo and conditioner, I still feel a little bit of dryness once the hair actually dries. So I always immediately apply some oil, and this is my own mix. It's got a whole bunch in there. It's a little concoction that I came up with, and then after that I use the Cantu Shea Butter curl cream to again make sure that my hair is moisturized, but also because I was about to blow dry my hair, which I rarely do this, probably every few months, every maybe 3 or 4 months, if not even twice a year. I wanted to make sure that my hair was protected. I didn't have a heat protectant, but I knew that in the combination of oil and the cream would work as a heat protectant. I'm also able to do this because, as I said, I don't use heat on my hair a lot, and so I knew that it would be fine without a heat protectant product other than the oil and the cream. I'm using this ConAir Blow-drier, which I bought on Amazon, and I will try to leave a link below if I can find it. And this was my first time using a blow dryer with a comb attachment to it, and I was really excited to try it out because it's really hard to get your hair straight when you have natural hair, and so using a comb attachment really helped. So I started off using the tension method with the blow dryer set on cool and then on low heat, and I just pulled my hair towards the end. I like this method because, number one, it keeps my hair straight and it prevents it from tangling up on itself, and also it makes sure that a lot of the work is done using the tension method as opposed to combing the hair and applying heat directly to it. So I really like this method. I use small to medium sections of hair to ensure that the heat is equally distributed, but again, to make it easier for me to get the comb through the hair, most of the work is done using the tension method, and then finally I start to comb through going from tips to roots, slowly working through the hair, being very gentle and just very patient. I was really amazed at number one, how straight my hair got. This is probably one of my best blowouts yet, because my hair, it really takes a lot for my hair to get straight, and this was, I think, a pretty good result. But in addition to that, my hair was also soft and it didn't feel dry. It didn't have a crunchy feeling after I had blow dried it, which was really good. The blow dryer does get quite hot, but it's definitely not as hot as other blow dryers I've used. So I think that really helps. And the comb attachment obviously means that one hand is free to pull on the hair and to kind of maneuver the hair and make it easier to comb through, but it also means that your arms are not really sore, even though it is, I wouldn't say it's the heaviest thing, but it does have a good weight to it, especially at the beginning. But if you hold it like I'm holding it here, where I'm holding the top of the blow dryer, then it makes it easier to balance and less heavy as well. I really should have been trimming here, but I just decided not to trim my hair, just because I do trim my hair as I'm doing it and I'm styling it throughout the week, or over every 2 weeks when I style my hair. I always work with shears, but I decided not to. But after doing it and seeing what the ends look like, I'm definitely in need of a trim very soon. I also always work in sections, because again, that makes it easier, and then part those sections into even smaller sections, again, to make it easier to manage the hair, because my hair is quite thick and there is quite a lot of it. So in order to avoid being frustrated, I work very slowly and very methodically. And then once a section is completely blow dried, then I twist it away and just tuck it away somewhere so that it's not interfering with the rest of the wet hair, and also so that it's not getting wet itself and reverting. Feel free to re-dampen the hair if you need to, because sometimes it's drying and it's drying in its shrunken state, because you're working on one side of your hair and the other side is untouched. So feel free, before you start a section, if it's getting a bit dry, to re-moisturize that hair with a bit of water and then go in with your blow dryer. there you go, guys. That is my hair fully blown out. As I said, I do need a trim, so my ends are a bit straggly, but overall I was really happy with the health of my hair. It looks shiny, and it was soft, and there was a bit of movement as well, and I was also able to just like run my hand through it and run the blow dryer through it easily, which is obviously a good thing. Thanks for watching, guys. Let me know down below what else you'd like to see in terms of my natural hair videos, and remember to comment, like, and subscribe. I will see you in the next one. Bye.